demo show to you how do our system to update the inventory and the stock as well. So basically we have two methods. So first one, that will be direct update the quantity numbers direct to the product into it, and second method, that will be using the manage stock process, which is using from the start is using the purchase order, and then to select which one it's I would like to update the quantities and then receive the items, everything. So I will show to you one by one. So right now I will show to you the first step, the first method, which is how do we go to the product to direct update of the quantity. Alright, so we will go to the manage product in this sections, and then products, and then straightforward we can looking for our product as well. So let's take an example, like I want to make the update on this particular product. So we just edit on it, and we just simply go down and scroll down to the most bottom and open up the inventory. So it means to say, if we have the multiple branches we listed and already added before, it will list out in this section to allow you which branches should be update the quantity as well. Okay, of course we always tick for the track stock level to make sure the stock it's always to give us the correct quantity. Right, so right now we can straightforward to update base here. Example like store number 1, I would like to update the quantity based on the different store that will be having the different numbers. Okay, so let's make an example like this. So we have another field is calling ideal stock level. So ideal stock level means to say it's a second level line if the stock quantity in reach in between this figure, it will to remind you to time to update for the stock. Okay, let's say. So right now the ideal stock level, I'll put it as a 30. So warning stock level means that it's the last warning line if this stock is excuse me, is reached to this number. So our system will be showing you the reminder inside the manage stock here in the urgent stock listing over here. Okay, let's say right now I want to put something, example like this, 5. So the numbers that will be depends on you how many you want to set about it. Okay, let's say it's 10th, 5th. Alright, it's good to go. So it means the output over here, it's when you click on it, the system will show to you how is the stock log, everything. It's from time to time. Okay, so right now this is one of the methods. So once I'm done, so this is one of the categories that I already updated in my system. Of course, once we already updated the quantity directly to the product, next step we can go to the one section under the manage stock over here. It's called track stock inventory. So let's say example, today I would like to search just now the potato salads as a sample to search on it. You see, we have the different outlets that already assigned, okay, and then of course that will be to showing to you that which one the branches and how many current quantities that already updated in here. Alright, so this is one of the methods. And then secondly, we not only on the back end we can do anything, we can go to the back end as well to synchronize, sorry, this is the front end, to synchronize, to check through this. We have one option over here calling track stock inventory. So as usual, potato salads, we set it over here in this sessions, and the system will showing out to you in the front end devices exactly the same data, which is like this. Right, so this is one of the methods to update the stock inventory directly. So next video I will show to you how we use the manage stock process, which is from purchase order to completely update and the quantity about the stock of the product. Alright, next method we will be using manage stock purchase order with this function to update the item inventory. So normally we will create a one purchase order over here in the sections. Then after that we will create a one entry about what is the items and what is the stock we would like to update to our dedicated branch. Of course, we will select the date. Let's make an example. I want to make it the date that will be on today, 31st, then until January on 15th. Okay, so target branch. So which branches that will be do it update the inventory as well. Let's say I want to make it on this HQ, and then supplier, of course we will select the corresponding supplier, otherwise the product will be showing out in the listing over here. Right, let's say example, like I want to make it like potato salad. Potato salad. Okay, how many quantity I would like to order? So let's say example, I want to order on 500 quantity, and what is the supplier price in here? So I will remain same as a ringgit, and then we can keep add on the continuous the item over here, of course. Then we can just delete over it, and yes, price as usual. So once the purchase order I already created, I just need to press for save. So is any note you would like to bring over here, you just put the number or any notes you would like to update in this session. Okay, once I done, save. So this is the purchase order. It's from our system, means it will automatically send to the supplier to prepare on this product to be ready and send it to this address as well, right? So once it's done, we close it. All right, next that will be we go to the second stage, which is we need to check and see. All right, so instead the 500 items, the quantity it's already set it out, so we just need to complete place in here. Okay, let's say example, so this, okay, let's make it right. So once it's already marked as shipped, so it means to say this item is already on the way going to our outlet. So at the same time, once the items, the product is already arrived on the outlet, the branches, we would like to update the quantity as well. Okay, you can see we have two options over here, which is receive item, means that will be certain partial quantity will be only received. Okay, let's say today my supplier is fully sent out 500 product of the quantity to me, and I want to make it straightforward instantly. So you can click on the completed. Okay, let's say example right now, once we already done, system will be showing to you. So if the item is not fully received, do you want to still system automatically receive all the balance item in the purchase order? If we press on the yes, so it means that the 500, the quantity already updated to our product, let's say. So at the same time, we go back to track stock inventory. We search back for the potato salad, enter. So right now, before that, we are doing the categories for HQ, import HQ over here. You see, the current quantity for these branches has become 600, all right? So then, let's say we want to check back the product previously. We want to do the audit, all right? Maybe we can go straight forward to this section, audit trail. So we just look for it, potato, salad, in which branch? HQ. Since let's make it the time that will be on 31st and the 15th. Go. Alright, so previously we had direct update, we have update to 100 items. So it's before we change it's only 9. So once it's already updated, all the updates will be showing in here. So just we have the purchase order, which is the 500. So right now is plus previous stock together. So right now we have 600 total item in here. So means to say, as I mentioned, we have two methods, which is first we go to the product in here to direct update the numbers in between the section, or secondly we can go to the manage stock, go through the purchase order, based on the stage, create the purchase order, and then click on the receive items on particular numbers, or if you want to click for the complete, it will 100% to receive exactly quantity and straightforward automatically update the numbers to the stock by itself. All right, so at the same time we can go to the track stock inventory to check and see the current stock quantity in the branches, how many is it, and as well as we can go to the audit trail to check and see the product log when is already update the numbers by when. Okay, so that will be the trace we can check on the audit trail.